Oh, she's a brisk morning inwood, boys. Holy suffering. Half the friggin' day's gone. Tabernacle Jim hasn't shown up yet. That's pretty cool. Like when I think of cool stuff, I think about how dicks don't show up. Yeah, super cool. It's like I wonder how he became a hobo, you know what I mean? All right, well, we got issues. So no good, and then doesn't want to start, can't prime it, just stick. Oh, look who decided to grace us with his presence. Well, I apologize. Just gonna move, you know, I was just gonna move a bunch of stuff around in the yard and stuff, and then this and that, and then hook on the trailer, and then go get the stairs, and then I gotta build a landing quick and screw that up, and then cut the stairs to length, and well, you know what I mean? It sounds easy, but I can't even get out of here. I thought this was gonna give me so much more room. I thought, oh, you know, I'll be able to park my skid steer, my excavator in there, and no. I'm an idiot. Captain of the stupid club. Look at me go. Holy shit, you scared the shit right out of me. That was a good one. Thank you.
Tip it up quick. Good shot. Set it on the ground for now until we get this thing in. Please. And we don't want to tip this thing too much.
Yeah, not too much, eh? Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm not very strong.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, careful. Holy shit, you all right?
Yeah, but what happened was this thing pulled my arm out.
Yeah.
That heavy old pigs.
Yeah.
Can we turn it this way?
Sure.
That's an old rug I threw in there.
Yeah.
Good. Put that baby there. Shouldn't leak that.
I don't think so.
I think I broke my thumb though.
Oh, careful. Ouch.
Here, you want to.
Oh, poor guy, friggin' sleeve got caught on the stupid transmission jack. Sleeve got caught on that, so as he's trying to set it down, it's dragging it. So I kicked the transmission jack. That pulls his arm out, he drops the transmission, breaks his thumb. Plug one, no good. Oh, I got the new lift pump, not too bad. 138 bucks with the gasket and everything, so hopefully that's even the issue. Hopefully that's even the issue, for frick's sakes, right? A little stuck. Got some squirts on there and wiggled her back and forth a little bit. Got her loosened off there. It's just stuck on that line. I wanted to twist the line with the fat. Well, trapped her no good, boys. Trapped her no good. It's got It's got an issue terrible with condensations forming in the downstem of the fuel cigarette there, and she just drinks water terrible, and then I think what's happened is the filter froze up. Wasn't allowing, you know, I mean, it changes the fuck pump, but it's, you know, still not pumping, right? So, I mean, it was only 130 bucks. I got 2 other engines that need one, so holy, just burning inwood right to the ground. Not a Bugatti to give. Nope. Full right to the brim. Holy, that was a good one. There you go. Little light correction there. You saw them? Look at them go, boys. You can't even tell he's friggin' tweaker or nothing. Hey, Tweaky! You doing good work? You best. He tells me he can't hear, but he's definitely got selective hearing. You got selective hearing, buddy?
What's that?
See? Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant, dude. Nice. Oh, yeah. Just stick your arm right in there as your f***s. Hey. Oh, yeah, that's good. You gotta try to keep at least 40% of it in the pot there, too, eh?
Yeah,
just so you know. Just so you're aware. I bet you smell great.
Oh, I did, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, chooch, eh? Your cologne called chooch.
That's about it.
Oh man, I had big plans for today, boys, but instead I played find what's frozen in the fuel lines of my tractor. That's what I did today. Son of a bitch. I mean, I got a little bit cold and I went inside and friggin', you know, move some shit around and stuff too. I should shut the door over here while we're out and about. Kind of put some stuff away, the air compressor and stuff, just so don't get ruined. Cleared up in here a little bit. Got some tools put away. Got some tools put away. As soon as I pulled the lift pump out, though, I gave it a couple squeezes and it was squirting relentless, right? So I knew it wasn't the lift pump, but I figured, you know, I got a new one. It's only 130 bucks. I'll change it anyways. So, you know what I mean? I already took the son of a bitch off, so. And like I say, I got a couple other engines that don't have lift pump on them, so I'll be able to utilize this on that. In fact, looks like the same one anyway, for the 5.9 comments to the 8.3 comments. But got a little bit done in here, but not really. I mean, I just kind of moved, you know, just kind of make more room, right? I'm kind of trying to make a swath through here. Check this out. You know, walk from one end to the other without having to zigzag around a bunch of shite, you know what I mean? So, yeah. But, yeah. See, this one's got a different type of the lift pump onto it. And this one here doesn't even have one. It's capped off, so they must have had a fast cigarette on there or something, who knows. But, yeah, I just pulled this filter out there and just letting it thaw out. I don't know, this filter, no good. 31 buck Amazons. 31 buck Amazon, no good. You know what I mean? Maybe I should get a couple replacements, have them in the shelf. You know what I mean? Couldn't suck it, right? So I rigged up this electronic pump so that you know what I mean? Because I was trying to siphon and it just wouldn't. I don't know. My suckling isn't what it used to be, I guess. So I wasn't able to suck any fuel out of there at all. Yeah, so hopefully, with any luck, we can just put that filter on after it thaws out a little bit, and then it'll just start, and then we can proceed with our day. I put a half a bottle, like a half a jug, probably 2 liters of Hot Shot Secret stovepipe in there, so hopefully that blockage the cigarette a little bit. But yeah, it's time of the year, boys, eh? Chapter frozen, no good. Everything Kodosai, no good. Gotta bring some trucks inside, work on stuff inside, boys. Yeah. Oh, and I got this big pile of shit that's got to just get out of here. Bed frames and oh, good lord. Just all kind of crap, right? Just get it out of here. If I end up needing it, I'll get it out of the shipping container or something. But for right now, I quit. What is it?
I don't know, it's yours.
Mine?
Well, I found it by that car.
What car?
That's yourself. Look back. It's like two
Gross.
months like this. It's like, I was like, that's, where's this going?
What are y'all wrecked on?
What's that?
What are y'all wrecked on?
Correct?
Yeah. What are you wrecked on?
What are you talking about?
Sound like you're all wrecked. Check out the saw I got today. Put your finger in there.
Holy shit, how many bolts is that son of a bitch?
18.
Is it?
For
That's
cutting
fucking
metal.
Cool. I think I have some blades.
Alright, well yesterday was a write-off. But the part stick pulled through. Got me a new filter. I think that's what the problem is. I drank quite a bit of diesel yesterday. I don't recommend that. But we'll switch this out. Snow's coming terrible. I got a bunch of stuff to move. I got the trailer backed up to the shop. I got a bunch of stuff in front of the door. We're gonna get that over to the shipping container to just get it out of the way. And then, yeah, it'll be freaking locking splockens, but... Oh, man. What's really going on here? Oh my goodness, startled me. Why would he do that? There you go. I'll bring this guy inside. That's perfect. Bring this guy inside. I don't know. Not sure. I'm gonna have to put the sucker pump onto it. Hopefully we can get her to pull some juice. So I really need that tractor. Like that's the most important one. Like really bad. I need that one. But yeah, I decided that I just don't have time. I got to get these stairs, these big metal stairs, and I got to cut them, and you know what I mean. I just don't have time right now. It's friggin' Christmas word right around the corner. It's probably 2 weeks ago in America. But what's really going on? Why are you so scared all the time? I apologize. Holy shit, eh? Burning inwood to the ground.
Pretty much. I'm
Nice.
just gonna get 'em a little bit smaller. Than
You're really
one-
sprinkling nails all around?
That's why I left that speaker.
Oh, I apologize.
Remind myself to get the nails again. I've still found a few of them though, however.
Oh, I don't know. I just got a new filter for it, so we'll see if we can get it running. Oh, they're both coming out the same side. Mucho more better. And mucho more better. How you doing? Not too bad. Got a little bit of a package. Oh, Dick. I love these things. Right on. Check this out. I was just using my my other one there. Yeah, it's like freaking Christmas word in Inwood. Check this out. Rock Pals portable power station. Yeah, they come with a 100-watt solar panel. Where's my knife? Comes with a carrying satchel. Have your cords and stuff in here. I'll use this in the Grumman. Yeah, 61%. Decent. Comes with an outlet. Yeah, I got a couple other ones of these.
I like.
Got the three instructions. Pretty big solar panel. Yeah. Yeah, these things are, you know, if you like camping or driving like old vehicles with no receptacles, like the 83. You charge your phone and different things, but yeah, just working on getting more piles of crap over by the door there, and we'll load up the trailer, get rid of that stuff, put it in a shipping container or something. Oh, it's like Christmas morn today, boys. Oh, wow, that's terribly substantial. Here's my other unit from Rock Pals. This one's pretty more awesome. It's got 2 outlets onto it and different things. Yeah, a light. Holy. Yeah. Oh, I quit the tractor. It's pissing me off. I need some sort of a pump. Oh yeah, I found a pump. That's what I was doing. Oh shit. I should have hooked that on there probably. Probably better if that's on there.
I've been wondering, I have one of these. I would wonder what the fuck it went to.
Exceptionally cool. Yeah, well, I guess. Now's as good a time and a word. Well, we just did the filter delete, new filter, and it still won't suck. It's like it's of the too fine of the micronic filtration for winter time, I expect. But anyways, I gotta make sure that it's running. Oh, it's all of the spittle foul. No looking. Whoa, no looking. That's for a different movie, boys. It's for an entirely different movie. But I gotta get that trailer off the other trailer that I just told you not to look at. So hopefully, without any further ado, here we go. That's my winter one. Oh, that's a good noise. Hopefully it makes that noise all the time now. Oh, but yeah, I really appreciate all the comments. Last movie there. Good Lord. You have been really trying to, you know, get the movies up to snuff there. Got some thumbnail actions happening. What do you think of them apples? Eh? But yeah, chapter's running. Thank frig. We can proceed with the day we were supposed to have 2 weeks ago. And no, not 2 weeks. We'll call her 9 days. Okay? We'll call her 9 days ago. But really close to getting the grummets pushed in the shop there too. So we'll get some stuff sorted out there and lickety splips. Hopefully it fits. Oh, good Lord, hopefully it fits. But anyways, boys, I gotta play some chapter and smoke some cigarettes. Don't bite!